Okay, so today's project is going to be, from start to finish, creating a mold for a brooch that I want to make. So I bought this t-shirt right here and I'm obsessed with it. I think it's so cute and it's made me like have a total banana obsession for like over a week now. So I actually designed this t-shirt and stuck it on my shop, which should be below this video, and decided that I wanted to make a banana brooch because the idea is that I'm going to wear this t-shirt with a denim waistcoat when I go to South Korea on my trip in September, and I want to make some accessories to go with it. So I'm going to turn on the camera, make a banana brooch. I'm not even sure how this is going to go, but we're going to try it, and then you can watch the process as I design this baby and end up with some resin. So I figure I'm going to have like a banana that's been peeled open, maybe. I think that's probably the best way. It's slightly 3D. Honestly, I am not the best when it comes to clay, but I will give it a go. Mold it around the banana. So I don't even need to care what the back looks like because I'm going to make this into a mold. So we don't want this bit too steep because I'm going to be making a hard mold and they don't like really deep details all too well. They tend to burst. Now I need to fix this because that was supposed to be folded over. So I'm gonna cut this like this, cut this like this, and add like a banana knob on the end. Tool, like this one. I don't need to worry about you. Okay, it's quite thick. I'm wondering if once I bake it I might actually smooth it down, or if I should smooth it down right now. Aren't that great? Gonna precise. Get rid of like bulgy bits. Okay, in the craft resin you get, by the looks of it, those are gloves. I don't want to touch them because I'm allergic to gloves. I'll be using barrier cream. I've got a craft resin stick, and if anyone wants 10% off, you can scan this straight from the screen. Okay, so it is a two-part 50-50 by the looks of it. So I'm going to use my little cup things Okay, this one has a little smell to it. Okay, I'm going to be using my colours from J. Diction. I just feel like they're good banana colours. Mix my colours into one side though. A strong yellow. It's a very good banana colour. Poured. This one's got an annoying thing on it. I'm using Arteza acrylics. This is my favorite like supply brand right now. It's just a complete experiment. Never mixed mica powders with acrylic paint before. This is just a cheap white paint because it's really thin and I'll thin down the acrylics. Let's see how this goes. It's a really thin brush. Okay, I'm kind of wondering if I should use some of this in the banana skin. Like, try a little copper. Should stick because it's acrylic paint. Okay. It wouldn't be one of my things without a little bit of glitter somewhere. Get rid of, because I can always give this another glaze coat to make it nice and shiny. Anything I'm not happy with, I'm going to turn into a keyring. So I've been trying to decide on what beads I want to use with it. These are some beads that I made out of polymer clay. Whoops. Out of polymer clay. These might work. Okay, so because this is a keyring, I am doubling up the little eye pins. I'm not cutting them short. I'm just keeping on going until I wind them right into the base, so they're doubled like this. It makes them stronger for keyrings. I think I've got enough. Although it does balance the colors, so maybe. Okay, we are done. Now to go and put it on my clothes.